Alright everyone, this is Pastor D again with another video on the Husqvarna LGT 2654. I posted a previous video concerning the issue with the belt on the deck. I've gone through probably $350 worth of belts, changing pulleys and doing things to try to get this unit to continue to cut. Well, today, before I made a decision to take it and scrap it, because the engine is still excellent, the body of the frame is all well, I decided to try one more fix-it. I changed the belt today and got a new belt. As you see, the old belt is there. The only difference is that I used a smaller belt than what the manufacturer requested. I went to Lowe's and I got the L191273 for the 54-inch deck. Now this belt, compared to the other unit that Lowe's sells, is shorter. And so I began to cut with the original pulley. As you see, the tension pulley is silver. It's normally this black unit here. I began to cut, and it began, if you can see, I'm going to zoom in, to fray the belt. It began to fray the belt. Well, what was fraying the belt was the fact that between that first black pulley and the second black pulley was very little space, and the pulley was cutting in to the belt. I've already told you that you was to put a tighter spring on there. So what I decided with the smaller belt is to go with replacing the second pulley with a smaller diameter pulley. As you see, I went to my local lawnmower shop and replaced it with a smaller pulley, and that gave me a gap in between the belt as it rotates and the pulley itself. Now this belt is frayed from the first experiment with the original pulley, but even though it's frayed, it worked perfectly, and I cut hay-like grass, very thick grass. It didn't fray. The belt continued to run even when I ran to a heavy patch of grass. But one thing about this pulley here is that it was a little shallower as far as its depth. Unlike the original one, it had this amount of depth. Well, all I did was take 5 3/8 washers and put on the bottom of the pulley, which raised it up so that no longer will the pulley run on the rim like it did here, but it runs more center in the rotation. So again, this is the Husqvarna LGT 2650. Hopefully this will fix it and help you, because it's sure enough took care of me this go round. Again, this is Pastor D. If you like the video, just press thumbs up. Thank you.